schedule nun.
Hello vlog! Nandito na po kami. Nandito na po kami sa Cebu.
Touchdown Cebu.
Touchdown Cebu. After how many? First time ni Lolo.
First time din dito tayo.
Kami second time.
Second time.
Ako din pumunta nung nag-aaral pa ako, nag-OGT ako dito eh. Yun lang naulit. May naulit. Maganda ng panahon, first time. Maganda.
Maganda nga.
Bukas maganda na.
I saw from the...
Oo. Diretso na tayo sa hotel. Pahinga muna tayo. Maghapon ligo.
We waited for 5 hours. More than 5 hours. We woke up at 12. I mean, no, we woke up at 2 a.m. We went to the airport. We arrived at 4:45. We waited until 9 to board our plane, which was supposed to be 7. But it's okay. Lola, welcome to a vlog. Nasa Cebu na kami. Finally, nasa Cebu na tayo. At hindi na. Pupunta na po tayo sa... Wow, Shangri-La has their own shuttle bus. Sana all. Shangri-La has their own shuttle bus. We're now going to Solea. Kasi wala. That is our hotel. We're gonna go straight kasi late na po tayo dumating sa Cebu. But that's alright. We still have 2 days. See you later.